Good morning and welcome to the fifth and final vlog from Center Parcs. We're going home tomorrow, so we've got 4 activities booked for today. We've got badminton, which we're away to leave for just now. After that, my dad and my brother have the golf driving range. There is another activity in between, but I can't remember what it is. It's the batting cage, that's what we've got, the bat cage in the entertainment height. And then we've got bowling later on this evening. So because the weather's really nice today, I'm hoping that I can get a Starbucks after badminton. So we're gonna head off for badminton just now. So we've got 45 minutes on the badminton court, so that'll take us until 11. And then my dad and my brother, they've got their golf at 12. So we'll do the badminton, I'll hopefully get a Starbucks, and then we'll head to golf. We are back from badminton. I've just straightened my hair and I've changed into a lighter top because it's absolutely roasting. We're now going to go to the golf driving range. So we have made it back from golf and we are away to head down now to the bat cage at the village centre. So we are back from the bat cage. We only had I think it was about half an hour. It was like 25 minutes. It wasn't long at all. I don't know if it was you were only able to book it for half an hour or if you could book it for longer. But if you can book it for longer, I would recommend definitely doing that because 25 minutes was not enough for 4 people. So we're ready to go and have something to eat for our dinner now. And then we've got bowling later on this evening. I think I'm just going to start packing for going home tomorrow. And I'm going to start editing the vlogs as well. Okay, so now I have packed most of my stuff, so we're just away to go and head down to bowling now. We've got about 15 minutes until we need to be there, so we're going to head off now to get there in plenty of time. I'm so out of breath just from cycling home. Everyone else has an electric bike, but I'm the only one with a standard bike, and I am so tired from just literally 5 minutes of cycling because we're up a very steep hill up to our lodge. Anyway, we finished bowling. We got about a game and another 3/4 of a game because you have the lane for an hour, so we managed to get 1 full game and almost another one, and I somehow managed to lose both games. That is nothing new because I'm just notorious for being really bad at bowling, so I wasn't expecting to win anyway. So all that's left to do now is just tidy away everything else that I've got left to pack, and that's it for Center Parcs until November when I'm back again with Kerry. So if you stayed until the very end of this vlog, or if you've watched all of the other vlogs including this one, thank you very much, and I will see you again very soon. My next vlog will be a BTS vlog, and that will be middle of July. That one will go out, so stay tuned for that one. And like I said, if you've managed to stay until the very end of this vlog and watched all the others, thank you very much, and I will see you again soon.